Welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to find the p-value in Microsoft Excel and the criteria of selecting the null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. So let's begin. Here we have the bowling speed data of bowler A, where he used to bowl at these speeds. We know that there are 6 balls in an over, and these are the speeds of the bowler: 120, 124, 126, and so on. He used to bowl at these speeds. Then he went through a training session for a few days, and after the training session his bowling speeds were this: 124, 127, 131. Now here we have a question: is training really increases or decreases the bowling speed or not? Here we have two hypotheses for that question. The null hypothesis, which says that training does not have any effect on bowling speed, and for that we have the p-value that we will find later. If the p-value is greater than 0.05, then we will go with the null hypothesis that says that training does not have any effect on bowling speed. And then we have the other hypothesis, which we call it as alternate hypothesis, and it says that training does have effect on the bowling speed and it increases the bowling speed. Now let's prove it. We have to perform the t-test, and for that we have to go to the data tab, and here we have the data analysis. In case you do not have this, go to file, and here we have the more option. Click on it, go to options, and here you need to select the adds in, right? And then select this analysis, this one, analysis. Click on go. Make sure you have selected these two options on the top, and then click OK. You're gonna have this data analysis. Click on it. Here we have many analysis available, but we have to select this pair t with means. Click OK, and if anything is selected, just clear it, and here as well, just clear it. Just keep the alpha value. In this first window, we need to select bowler A speed before training, and in this second window we need to select the bowler A speeds after training. Check this label, and here we have the alpha value, or we call it as b value. By default this value is 0.05, and here are the details. If you want the results in the new tab, then you can select this option, but I want the result in this tab, that's why I'm choosing this option. Just click here, and then you're gonna have the results right here. Click OK, and here we have the results. Let me quickly set this for you. Here we have the results of the t-test. We have all the options available, mean, variance, but we are concerned with the p-value. So p-value for one tail is less than 0.05. So I'm writing here this value is less than 0.05. This is actually 0.000179, which is far much less than 0.05. And here we have the p two tail value, which is also less than 0.05. So here we would not go with the null hypothesis, which says that the training does not have any effect on the training, because the p-value is less than 0.05, and the alternate hypothesis is going to be correct here, and we are going with the alternate hypothesis. This is the alternate hypothesis, this right here. And if you can manually check this one by one, then the training does really have an impact on the bowling speeds, because this is a small data and we can manually check it, but most of the time we have large data and we cannot manually check it, so we use the t-test, and by analyzing the p-value we choose one of the hypotheses. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video.